playing the cat scratch game. Okay. There once was an old lady who owned a cat. Oh.
Just put it on my forehead.
I was. Okay. There once was an old lady who owned a cat. The cat was very nice. It meowed and purred. One day the cat got hit by a car and died. Cat scratch, cat scratch, cat scratch. Ho, ho, ho. The old lady got a new cat. The cat was very mean. It hissed and clawed. Cat scratch, scratch, cat scratch, scratch. Can't say that 10 times, huh? One day the cat got hit by a car and died. The old lady decided not to get any more cats. Cat scratch, cat scratch, cat scratch. Story 2. You are walking through a dark alley late at night. You are the only one there. The ground is slick with rain. The alley is filled with garbage and cans and trash. But then you hear something. A moment in the garbage cans. You pick up your pace. You want to get out of the alley as fast as you can. But then you see something. Red eyes glowing red cat eyes. They are the eyes of an numerous cat. You can run, but the cat chases you and runs on you. It scratches you 1, 2, 3. Cat scratch, cat scratch, cat scratch. Okay. Lift your shirt up, like, get up and lift your shirt up. There should be 3 scratches on the person's back. On the person's back. I don't see nothing.
Well, is there anything red? Right up here.
Sit up. Like, you can't see that far, bro. Oh shit!
What?
Oh! You got 4. Oh my god.